Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Amoy and today we're going to be doing a lot. This is going to be in my first Vlogmas Day video, but it is not December yet. But I do want to clean my room and put up my decorations and stuff because I'm on break right now, Thanksgiving break. So I want to get this stuff over with, and then also because the first day of December is a Monday. So I know I'm not going to be doing that much, so I want to at least have something in the video. So today we're going to be tackling cleaning my room because it looks a hot mess. I'm gonna be washing my stuff and like tables, well not tables, but like my desk and my nightstand, and then we're gonna put up my new decorations that I bought. I went to Five Below today and got some Christmas decorations, but my room looks a hot mess. Let me show you guys what my room looks like. So you know, you walk in, it looks all nice, you know, decorated, and then you look down and there's stuff everywhere. Don't mind my bed because literally, like I said, I'm washing my bed stuff. But yeah, it's just stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna tackle that. I'm gonna first fold my clothes, put those up because they've been there for like a whole week because I just washed all my clothes and just put them in the corner. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean off my desk because that looks a hot mess too. Probably organize that because I haven't been paying attention to that. Then when my bed stuff gets out, put that up and put up my decorations. So let's get into it because I don't think I'm gonna record me folding my clothes. I'll probably like record putting them up, but it's gonna take me forever. And if I record, I'm gonna get sidetracked. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'm gonna come back when it's done. Okay, so I haven't fully finished cleaning technically, only because I'm waiting for my comforter to dry, well, to wash. But I'm gonna show a little bit, well, all the decorations I bought so far, because I think next week I'm gonna buy some more. But this is just what I have right now, and then also a little something for Sephora. So I'll go through this first because it's just a little small thing. I got my mom's birthday gift, which I got the Mario, which I saw that they had this last year and I didn't get it because I don't know if that liner is gonna work for me. But that was really the only one that they had that I was interested in, so I just went with this one. But then I'll show you this pillow because I got this last year, and so I don't have to buy another Christmas pillow and also Hello Kitty. And I made sure to put this up because I have a tendency of just keeping all my throw pillows on my bed, and then they get messed up because I sleep on them all night. So I kept this in my closet and now it's all nice and pretty still. Then I got this blanket and I just washed it. That's why it's not all wrapped pretty. But since my room is just like, it's a lot of colors, but there was different types at Five Below, and I think this one goes with my room the best. Pink. Then I bought this Hello Kitty activity book for my mom because she wanted it. Then I got this garland that I'm going to, I think I'm going to tape around the perimeter of my bookshelf, which now that I look at it, it's going to be a little hard because there is a lot of things like hanging around on the side, but I'll figure it out in tomorrow or something because the day's almost over with. The sun has set, and this took me longer because I was procrastinating. So I'm going to decorate probably tomorrow with what I have. Then I got this candle. It is sparkling berry and it smells so good. Only thing about candles is I don't know where I want to light this because my room is very cluttered, which I like, but it would make more sense on my bookshelf, but my bookshelf is cluttered. And then the last thing I bought was this Christmas tree little statue thing. Let me see if it already is. Is it supposed to be that dim? Maybe somebody used it, I don't know. But it does light up. And this was, I want to say, $5. I think it's supposed to be brighter than that. Maybe it's because my lights are on. But yeah, this is all I have right now. And I also have another Christmas blanket. I have a Shopkins blanket that my mom made a long time ago. I might put that on my bed too. But yeah, this is what I have right now. I think I might next week get a small little Christmas tree to go in my corner, but I don't know. I don't know yet because that means I have to buy ornaments to put on there too. And yeah, a little steep around here with the budget, so I'll figure out what else I want to do and then I'll decorate. So yeah. Okay, so hey, this is about a week later from that cleaning portion. It is now December 1st. I honestly forgot to record the end. I don't know if I recorded the end product, but also I just now decorated because I was being lazy. So I'll give you a tour now. And because I just forgot that I have these LED lights, I just changed it to green so we're festive. First, I'm gonna start over here. This is the blanket I just bought, but I just put it over here because I decided to put my other blanket on my bed. There's honestly not that many decorations, but I put the Christmas tree, there's Santa. I still have to change my calendar. But then I put this blanket, this is my Shopkins blanket that I got forever ago. Put that on my bed. Then I have my Hello Kitty pillow. And I swore that I had another Sanrio Christmas one, but I guess I don't. Then I have my candle and the days till Christmas. So yeah, the quick little tour because I said this before, but I wasn't gonna do anything really. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna include this in the first Vlogmas day or whatever. So I don't know if it's gonna be in the other video, but hi, my name is Moy if you don't know. And I'm just gonna be doing a little haul of everything I got. Today is Cyber Monday, and I did get some stuff on Black Friday too, but this is just everything I got. First, I'm just gonna go through what I actually got on, well, technically it wasn't Black Friday. I got it like Wednesday before Black Friday, but I got some stuff from Ulta. There's nothing in here because I've already opened it, but I got this Morphe eyebrow kit. It has eyebrow pomade, an eyebrow pencil, and it also has like a little eyebrow brush. Then I bought this blemish toner. I've been using it for like 3-4 days now, and maybe it's a placebo, but I feel like my skin is clearing up, so. Then I got this lip liner. What shade is this? Dark Cocoa. I really like it because it's like cool tone, and I was looking for it because I want to do more cool tone lip combos. I'm wearing it right now, but I don't know if you can tell it. I put this on like 5 hours ago, so I don't know. But then I just got the mini because I didn't feel like spending like $22 or like $16 on the big one. I was being cheap, but I should have just got a big one because I ran out of my other mini one, and I was like, let me just buy another one. Should have got the big one, but I love the setting powder. Now onto stuff I got from Five Below. I have to be quiet because this is one of my mom's gifts for Christmas. Then I bought this strawberry shortcake calendar. It's so cute. Obviously I know it's December, but I really just came to the realization like, oh, it's December. Like, the year is almost gone. I'm gonna graduate next year. I'm scared. But then this is the back. It's so pretty. Well, these are all the months that's in there. And then also, because I didn't feel like wrapping that because it's just a book. And there's also more stuff that I got her, but I got her a gift bag because I didn't want to wrap that. Then let's go through my Ross. I got this cute sweater hoodie thing. It's pretty cute. Just like pink, kind of like what I'm wearing right now. Then I got this tube top. This is leopard print, yeah. This is so cute, and I like the material. It's like, kind of like suede, or I guess. Oh, because I put that inside a bag. What I got at Target. So I already opened my LPS, but I bought an LPS little blind bag. I got the Dash Hound. And I was so happy because maybe I'll show you, but like, I got the other LPS, and I got all the like brightly colored ugly ones, and I was so mad. And so I was like really hoping I did not get an ugly one this time, and I got to keep one this time. So I'm really happy. Then this was on clearance, and I got this little skirt. So cute. Just $10. It was $20, which is crazy for that. And then this was also on clearance. I got me some earrings. I really just wanted the flowers. I didn't, the butterflies. I really didn't care about the flowers. I don't. Now we can move on to TJ Maxx. So I already have a water bottle, but mine it's so big that it barely fits in the side of in the side pocket for my backpack. So I got this one. I don't know, this is supposed to be an Owala dupe, I guess, but I don't really care. It's cute. Because I don't really like all the patterns, but this was like the best one that they had, and it's more neutral, so it's not like out there, but yeah, I usually just like plainly colored ones. But yeah, this was just $12.99. Anything else? And then what I got from my mom. She broke all her other ones, so, and she hasn't had some in a year, so I just bought her this set. And I know she's gonna love it because she was literally just talking about it just like a couple weeks ago, saying like, oh, I wish I had my wine glasses so I can make like a cute little drink or something, and now she's gonna have some. Yeah, I'm the best daughter ever. So yeah, that's all the things that I got for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever. So yeah, probably am gonna include this in the first Vlogmas because it is pretty short, but yeah, bye.